Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your ascendant and the moon sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, one more shuffle. Okay, so let's see what we have for Cancerians. The moon, Four of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, the Queen of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, the Devil, Page of Swords, the Lovers, Eight of Swords, the Judgment, and Six of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, so Cancerians, with the moon, the Four of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles, what I feel here is that you are trying to heal yourself in a certain situation. Perhaps you are dealing with a situation in which you really don't know what path to take, how to move forward. Okay, and because of this uncertainty and lack of clarity as to which path to uh, take, or which direction to choose, or what action to take, so there is some uncertainty in your life right now, or the things are not very clear. You really don't know how the consequences will be if you take this and that, whatever it is. There is a situation in your life in which there is lack of clarity. Things are very clouded, sort of. Maybe you don't have the exact information, exact direction to move, whatever it is. But then the thing here is that you are excuse me, you are leaving it to fate, or leaving it to for the god to show you the right path, or leaving it to the universe to guide you through it. So it is just that you are not doing much action. You are just letting fate take its shape, or show you the right path, something like that. Okay. So this is what it is. And here, after this period of inaction, and here with this period, or this time period of not making a move and leaving things to time, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles. So here what I feel is you've started focusing on what you have. Okay, perhaps you what you are thinking is, okay, I need to build my I need to put in my effort into what I have, and that what gives you happiness. So this is what you're focusing on with the Ten of Cups. You are focusing on your family, you're focusing on your own happiness, which gives you a lot of stability and contentment. So this is what you've started working on. Okay, maybe this is a different scenario in which you really don't know how to move forward. It can be that, and so you decide, okay, I should work on what I actually have right now. And if this is not showing me the right path, or I really don't have the clarity as to what to do, okay, then leave it to time. It can be that. Otherwise it can be that once you have done with that healing, and that perhaps, obviously, though you have left things to the universe to guide you, but maybe then you are directed, or you have that in a sense, okay, this is the right path, and then you start working towards it to get your happiness, or to get this contentment in your life. Then we have the Queen of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the Devil. Okay, so Cancerians, there is a situation in which you are really juggling and being indecisive. I think that is what it is. So you are working hard towards this family, or this commitment, or this emotional satisfaction, but still what I feel is, I think it is the same situation for most of you. Okay, it is the contentment which you wish to have in your life with the Ten of Cups. This is what you wish to have, that's what I feel. But the thing is, your emotions are closed off. You have emotions, not that you don't have, but you are not able to open up in some way, and there is some sort of indecisiveness going on, some sort of juggling, some sort of indecisiveness is going on in this situation. But though you are working hard, okay, then now this is the thing that you don't have the certainty. You really don't know which way it will go, and that is what this Two of Pentacles and this Moon card is talking about. That uncertainty which you have surrendered, but then still, yes, you are working hard. It's not that you are not doing the effort which is being required, but the thing is, on the emotional aspect, I think you are not opening up that much, and there is some sort of indecisiveness regarding this happiness or your source of happiness or this commitment, whatever it is. And we have the Devil, the Page of Swords, and the Lovers. So here there is a relationship definitely over here. It is a family, it is a committed relationship definitely, and in this there is some sort of negativity attached to it. There is some sort of addiction, something negative is attached to this relationship. And the thing is, though you want to move ahead, you want to cut through this negativity with the Page of Swords, and you want to achieve such a stable and a pure relationship or a transparent relationship. But whatever this toxicity or whatever this negativity is in this relationship, which is causing you to surrender to the universe, which is causing you to emotionally be a little closed off, or which is causing this indecisiveness, whatever this reason is, here you really want some sort of clarity so that this relationship can be restored to a beautiful, a transparent, and a balanced relationship. Okay, that is what you actually want, and that is what you're working hard on. Okay, and with the Eight of Swords here, the Judgment, and the Six of Pentacles, there is, in this situation, you are feeling totally captivated. You are totally imprisoned by the circumstances, perhaps, of whatever is going on, or this negativity has left you in such a place that you are reluctant to step forward or move ahead in life. But the thing is, you are deciding to sort it out. You are deciding to sort of either give it a second chance, with the Judgment being there. Actually, either you want to balance it once again and you want to give it a second chance, because it's not easy for you to move out of it, no matter how toxic it is. It can be that, or for others it may be you are deciding to balance your own life. But there is some sort of decision definitely which is being taken over here, and what I feel for most of you is the decision seems to be that you really want to give it a second chance. You want to balance this relationship, and you want to sort out the matter, whatever it is which is holding it back. Let's see anything else for the Cancerians. Okay, so we have the King of Cups, the World, and the Wheel of Fortune. So definitely a lot of change is coming up. There is a lot of change which is coming up with the World and the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing, but the old cycle is ending and there is a new beginning. Things will make a move. There are a lot of emotions over here. With the King of Cups, we have the Queen of Cups, and so there are a lot of emotions. The only thing is you are not able to show them for some reason, because there is some negativity which is attached to this relationship. But things will change, and you are perhaps ready to accept this change, and that is what this decision is about. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Cancerians. The Tower. Something unexpected has happened, I think, because of which you are juggling and you are being indecisive, and this toxicity has come in unexpectedly. That's what I feel. Okay, let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Five of Thought. The path you were on seemed like the right one, but now you have run into a challenge. There is a better direction for you that will make you much happier in the end. Changes are necessary so that you can get back on the track. Avoid negative people who are draining or who bring unwanted drama into your life. So Cancerians, that is the guidance from the angels. Yes, things perhaps have happened unexpectedly. You were never thought they would be like that, but still, yes, but things are changing. You need to take a decision out there. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.